You're watching How Leap. Let's delete a YouTube video from your phone. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture in the top right. Select your channel, tap Manage Videos or YouTube Studio. Find the video you want to delete and tap the three dots next to it. From the menu, select Delete Forever. A confirmation message will appear. Read it carefully as this action is permanent. Tap Delete Forever to confirm. The video will be immediately removed from your channel and from YouTube. You cannot undo this. If you just want to hide the video, you can set its privacy to private instead of deleting it. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.